So can you show me how to pump up the gas?
Disconnect that, and then we'll have to make it. So plug in to power that, and it just powers a fuel pump inside the fuel cell. And then you just need to make sure that you watch it so it does. So I think to make it easier, I think we reroute this line out here and put a dry lock. Yeah, because we'll just have a little mount off of here to zip tie so it's nice and secure. Do you have these connectors so we can make a pump out? Alright, so we'll have to get one of them.
Yeah.
I think once we're done, I'll just go through all parts that we may need to get, just so we can get it on the way. So that's all good. Because I think the tank, depending what this one is. So this tank should be roughly like 45 litres.
45 liter.
Yeah. From completely empty. Okay. And then I think from what you can physically pump out, I think it'll be 40. Because once you get into the fuel cell, you can get a bit more out, but yeah.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf Racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.